Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off keyboard sound on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, some users simply prefer a silent typing experience. Being able to turn off keyboard sound allows for customization of the typing experience according to personal preferences. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, enter the settings on your device. Okay, after that, here you can select Sounds and Vibration menu. And then look for System Sound. Tap on it. Okay, so here, simply turn this toggle off. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off keyboard sound on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.